You're looking at a 2023 GMC Sierra 3500 Duramax 4x4. This is a one-owner truck with no accidents recorded on the history report. The interior and exterior are clean. The GMC runs and drives nicely. The Sierra still has remaining factory warranty. The 18-inch Michelin tires are in good condition. It has a 6.6-liter Duramax turbo diesel engine, Allison 10-speed automatic transmission, 342 rear axle ratio, 12,250-pound Gvwr, trailering package, trailer brake controller, X31 off-road package, skid plates, off-road suspension, auto-locking rear differential, multi-pro tailgate with bed step. Safety features include driver alert package, lane change alert with side blind zone alert, rear cross traffic alert, ultrasonic front and rear park assist. Features include SLE Convenience Package, front heated seats, heated steering wheel, power adjustable driver's seat, dual zone climate control, 8-inch touch screen infotainment system with Bluetooth, wired Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Sirius XM satellite radio, and OnStar, cruise control with tilt wheel, power windows and locks, heated power, adjustable trailering side view mirrors, spray on bed liner, remote start with keyless entry and start. For more information about this vehicle, or to see our large selection of quality vehicles, go to carfactorymt.com. You can buy with confidence at the Car Factory. We are Montana family-owned and operated for over 2 decades. And our great reviews on Google show that people love doing business with us. Stop by today. 4562 State Ave, Billings, Montana.